Hello everyone, my name is Dasha and I live in the Russian Federation. My country and region in particular are rich with lakes and rivers. There are over 2.5 million small rivers in Russia, and all of them should be taken care of. Seeing people treat water resources badly grips my heart, and situations like this are pushing me even harder to research and evolve in terms of ecology. The state of the water resources in my country, a great power now, is not what I would want them to be. I think that my project could possibly help in solving not all, but some of the problems we have. And although the method I used might seem a bit complicated, it truly isn't, and maybe even easier than some of which we use daily. The study goal of my research is improvement of environmental monitoring of the rivers, using the results of changes in enzyme activity in the bottom sediments, surface waters, and hydrophytes. For some reason, I got interested with the river I studied for this project at the first sight. In the village area it was almost completely wild, but downstream it met with the manufacture. And at the beginning I had the idea to see if there is any type of impact of the locality on the state of the river. Or maybe find the difference between water states near some locality and far away from it. But then I decided to dig a little deeper into the research and see if I can do something that could help this river in the nearest future. The results have turned out that in all considered biosystems under anthropogenic stress, the activity of such enzymes as urease, nitrate reductase, and polyphenol oxidase increases. It indicates absorption of phenols, carbamide, and ammonia salts by the tissues of clubrush. I recommend using this plant as a supplemental stage of utilization of phenols and nitrogen-containing organic matter in aquatic ecosystems. I confirmed that enzyme activity indicators could be used as indicators of pollution of surface waters and bottom sediments. This method can be used in the environmental monitoring with the purpose to assess environmental conditions in the water reservoir and identify the sources of external stresses. An increased level of enzyme activity can indicate the sources of water pollution, which should be taken care of. I'm truly happy to share this idea with the audience, and I'm sure that this is a really helpful research. Stay healthy, be safe, look out for each other, and keep charging.